Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to check your login history on Roblox. If you're concerned about the security of your account, or just want to keep track of where you've logged in, these steps will help you monitor your Roblox sessions. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Open the app and log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Step 2. Once you're logged in, tap the three dots or the menu icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This opens up the settings menu for your Roblox account. Step 3. In the menu, tap on Settings to access your account settings. Step 4. Next, select Account Info from the list of options. This will take you to a section where you can manage your account details, including your login history. Step 5. Now, tap on Security to open the security settings for your account. Here, you can make important changes to protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 6. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Where You're Logged In. Tap on it to view all the devices and sessions where your Roblox account is currently active. This section shows you where your account is logged in and helps you keep track of your login history. If you notice any unfamiliar devices or sessions, you can take immediate action to log out of them and protect your account. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your Roblox account secure.